These are the ones that I grew in that self-watering system, burpee self-watering system, and look at them. We've had so much rain for the past, like, I don't know, 3 to 4 weeks. I'm so surprised that Southern California had so much rain, but it's really a gift because my cabbages have thrived. But look how huge this cabbage is. Isn't that beautiful? It is huge. So I'm gonna be harvesting this and having cabbage and potatoes. So I thought I would take about maybe 2 heads, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 6, and I have 7 heads of cabbage. So really happy to see that the cabbage through the snow. We actually had snow come down on our elevation level from the mountains, so we get a little quick cover and then it melts immediately, pretty much in overnight. But look at that, cabbage survives a little bit of frost. So go ahead and make sure to grow your cabbages because they will survive a frost. I did take out 4. We had another rain this past week, and as you can see, they got even larger. So it looks like cabbages enjoy the rain. They enjoy being kept moist, and they also enjoy the chicken manure that I put in as well. So these are grown organic, and they are huge. Now I grew so many that I can't eat them all. So I'm fortunate enough that someone who has a farm, a ranch with animals and a larger family of people, is going to be able to enjoy these cabbages as well as give part of it to their animals as well. So sharing is caring.